How to hide your Instagram account's follower and following list. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Geek, and in this guide video I will show you the way on how you can actually hide your followers and following list on Instagram. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is just simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Instagram app, I just want to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So you have to understand that there is only one way to actually make your follower as well as your following list private on Instagram, and that is to simply make your own account private. And that way how it works is that people who do not follow you, or people who do not know you, and people who you do not approve as your follower will not be able to view your follower and following people. So what you have to do is simply tap on the three lines on the top right corner and then go to settings. Once you go to the settings option over here, just go to the option that says privacy and make sure to simply turn on this toggle right next to private account. So you have to make sure to simply switch to a private account first. Once you switch to private account, only then you'll be able to hide your follower and following list from people whom you do not approve as your follower. For example, all the strangers who are not within your followers tab will not be able to view your follower and your following list, and similarly also the post as well. But this is simply the way to work it around, because there is no any other official way as of moment. And it's simply how you can hide your follower and following list on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.